crispy, healthy, and downright delicious. Welcome to the world of the Gourmia air fryer. Here's a quick guide to elevate your cooking game. Tip 1. Preheating matters. Give your air fryer a quick 2 to 3 minute preheat before adding your ingredients. It makes a world of difference. Tip 2. Don't overcrowd. Give your food some space. This allows the hot air to circulate freely, ensuring an even cook and a crispier finish. Tip 3. Shake or flip mid-cook. This ensures all sides get evenly cooked and browned. Tip 4. Use oil sparingly. A light spray is all you need for that perfect golden touch. Tip 5. Always clean your air fryer after use. A clean machine is a happy machine. And for a bonus, here are a couple of trendy recipes to try. Air-fried buffalo cauliflower bites and crispy air-fried Brussels sprouts. Get the full recipes online. Remember, the Gourmia air fryer isn't just a kitchen gadget, it's your partner in creating culinary masterpieces. Happy cooking! Stay on your cooking game, watch more tips on random things and more. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below so we can continue this conversation.